Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is KineMaster here on YouTube. So today I'll be showing new YouTubers just like me how to create subscribe button on their videos. Yay! But before we get into the video, I'll please like you to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I post a tutorial video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank So first off guys, you go to Chrome, click on it. You search for green screen subscribe button as written there. You click on it. Yeah, here you'll be shown different videos. Choose any one you want. You redirect it to YouTube. You click on share. Then you click on copy link. And you minimize. Yeah. You go back to Chrome. And then you search for savefrom.net. Savefrom.net. You search for it. You click. You'll be taken to this page where you paste your copied link. Yeah, you click on it. You click on download to download the video. The video has been downloaded. You open it. That's how it looks like, guys. This is a downloaded video. Yeah. You go to your KineMaster. Click on the first icon there. Yeah. Then you click on media. Here you get to choose a photo or a video depending on what you want, guys. I chose a photo here. Disregard my photo. It's so busy, right? Disregard it, okay? So you adjust it and adjust it and adjust it. So that's it. You just adjust it. Click on the icon there, the check icon. Click on layer. Then you click on media. You choose the downloaded video. The video we downloaded earlier, guys. You choose it. That's it. Click on it. So that's how it looks like. A green screen. That's it. So you can drag and adjust it the way you want it to be. Okay. Drag and adjust, drag and adjust. And you go to chroma key. That's where the magic comes in. Chroma key, that's it there. You click on enable. Voila, the green screen is no more. Click on the check icon. You play your video. Yeah, you can adjust the subscribe button there. You play your video. This is how it looks like, guys. This is it. This is it. This is so magical, right? It's simple, I guess. Yeah. These are easy steps to follow, guys. Make sure you follow these easy steps. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I post a tutorial video like this, okay? Do not forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe, turn on the bell icon. That's it, guys. Okay, I'm just replaying this over and over again. You can drag it to any position of your choice. Like you can see now, I'm dragging it to any position. I'm dragging it to the top position there. You play it again. That's how it is, guys. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's our subscribe button on the video there. That's so magical, so intriguing. Click on play. Yeah. That's it. That's it. That's it. Yeah. I'm just replaying this so you see how beautiful this is. Yeah. You can still adjust it to the middle part depending on what you want, guys. Like I said before, this is the middle part there. Click on play. This is it. This is it. This is it, guys. Isn't this beautiful? Just disregard my photo. I know it's so busy. So play it again. That's it. That's it. Click on the bell icon. That's how you subscribe, guys. You subscribe, then you click on the bell icon. Okay. Okay. See it? Bell icon. That's it. That's it, guys. How to save it? You just go back and you click on the save, and you click on the export to save it. It will load. That's it. This is how it looks like. The saved video looks like this, guys. This is it.